A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalam ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursaleen. Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tamam bil khair. Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Walaikum assalam, sir.
Let us begin. We are seeing lesson number 6. Okay, what is Narun Baridatun?
Cold fire.
Cold fire. Why are we talking about cold fire? How is fire normally?
Fire is usually hot.
Normally fire is hot, but here we are talking about cold fire. So we'll see what is causing the cold fire. 1 minute. Okay, who can translate this sentence? The people gathered and they said, what shall we do?
Ijtama nasu wa qalu maza naf'alu.
Very good. Ijtama'a an-nasu wa qalu madha naf'alu. How do we translate this sentence, Zahan? Can you hear me, Zahan? Can you hear me, Sadia?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, what's this answer, Zahan? What is this answer, Adnan?
Which one's on it?
The people gathered and they said, what shall we do?
I wasn't able to hear you. The answer should be Ijtama an-nasu wa qalu maza naf'ala.
Madha naf'alu.
Maza naf'alu.
Good. Again.
Ijtama an-nasu wa qalu maza naf'alu.
Very good. Again.
Ijtama an-nasu wa qalu maza naf'alu.
Very good. What is this answer, Adnan?
Ijtama an-nasu wa qalu maza naf'alu.
Very good. Ijtama'a an-nasu wa qalu madha naf'alu. Okay, let's try the next question. Who knows the answer to this question? Ibrahim broke the idols and he insulted our gods. Sadia, what is the answer to this question?
Ibrahimu kasara al-asnama wa ahana alihatina.
Wa ahana alihatana.
Alihatan.
Very good. Again.
Ibrahimu kasara al-asnama wa ahana alihatana.
Very good. What is this answer, Zahan? Or Adnan, what is the answer to this question?
Yes, Sakib Chacha.
Answer to this question, Zahan. Ibrahim broke the idols and he insulted our gods.
Kasara Ibrahim al-asnama wa saba'a alihatina.
No. Repeat the answer again.
Kasara Ibrahimu al-asnama وسبع آلهتنا.
Very good. We'll use ahana. Ahana means insulted, and you said sab'a. Let me see what it means. So let me know how you spell sab'a. So do you spell it like this? Sab'a. Is this how you
No,
spell
Sakib Chacha.
sab'a? Sorry.
No.
Then how do you spell sab'a?
Sa-a-ba-ha-a. Sa-a-ba-a.
Okay. So insulted is mahana or muhaqqar or ahana. Ahana is what we are using. So, okay, so we'll use ahana. Ahana alihatana. Repeat answer again, Zahan.
Kasara Ibrahimu al-Isnama wa ahana alihatina.
Alihatana.
Alihatana.
Alihatana. Why did we have alihatina before? Because who did this with our gods? Okay, 1 minute. Let me just change one setting. So earlier we had who did this with our gods. So we had B, and B makes it alihatina. Okay, so this is what we saw alihatina because of the B. But here there's no B, there's no with. The sentence is he insulted who? He insulted our God. So there's no B. So this is going to become alihatana. So it becomes alihatana. If I add B, the alihatana would become alihatina because B would change the whatever it is. So if it is fatha or dhamma, if I add a B, it has to become kasra. So alihata with B becomes B alihati. Here there's no B. He's not he insulted with our gods, no, he insulted our gods. So Ibrahimu kasar al asnama wa ahana alihatana. What's the answer again, Zahan? Zahan, give me the answer again.
Yes, Sakib Chacha, I wasn't able to unmute. Kasara Ibrahimu al-Asnama wa ahana alihatana.
Very good. What is the answer, Adnan?
Ibrahimu kasarul asnama wa alihatina.
Wa ahana alihatana.
Wahana alihatana.
Again?
Ibrahimu kasarul asnama wa ahana bi alihatana.
Very good. Give me the first answer. The people gathered and they said, what shall we do? Adnan. اجتمع الناس وقالوا ماذا نفعل.
Ijtama nasu wa qalu madza naf'alu.
Very good. Now give me this answer again. Ibrahim broke the idols and he insulted our gods.
Ibrahimu kasarul asnama wa ahana bi alihatina.
No. Bi alihatina means he insulted with our gods.
Alihatana bi alihatana.
Again, full answer.
Ibrahimu kasarul asnama wa ahana bi alihatana.
No, there's no B. B means with.
Wa ala wa alihatana.
There's no li also. Li means for. Okay. So he insulted for our gods would be li alihatina, but here you're saying he insulted our gods. There's no B, there's no li. It is only
Ibrahim
alihatana.
broke the idols and he
Yes. Full answer again, Adnan.
Ibrahimu kasarul asnama wa ahana bi alihatana.
No. How do you say he insulted our gods? How do we say he insulted our gods? Translate this part, Adnan. Quickly, Adnan. Give me the answer. He insulted our gods. What's the answer? Sadia, how do we say he insulted our gods? Can you hear me, Sadia?
Ahana alihatana.
Ahana.
Ahana alihatana.
Very good. Alihatana. What's the answer, Adnan? He insulted our gods.
Ahana Ali Hatana.
Ahana alihatana. Again.
Ahana Ali Hatina. Ahana
No.
ala al. Uma 1 minute.
Ahana alihatana.
Ahana Ali Hatana.
Again.
Ahana Ali Hatana.
Very good. Now give me the full answer. Ibrahim broke the idols and he insulted our gods.
Ibrahimu kasara asnama wa ahana Ali Hatina.
Wrong.
1 minute. Ibrahimu kasara asnama wa ahana Ali Hatana.
Very good. Again.
Ibrahimu kasara asnama wa ahana Ali Hatana.
Very good. Ibrahimu kasar al-asnama wa ahana alihatana. And they asked, what is the punishment of Ibrahim? Let us see you translate this, Zahan. And they asked, what is the punishment of Ibrahim? How do you translate this sentence? Okay, Zahan hasn't revised.
Yes, Saqib Chacha.
What is this answer, Zahan?
Was'alu ma hi ikhabutu Ibrahim.
Come again. Repeat. What's the answer, Zahan? How do you say they asked? What is this answer, Sadia?
Salu ma ikhabu Ibrahima.
Very good. Sa'alu ma iqabu Ibrahima. What is the answer, Zahan?
Sa'alu ma ikhabatu Ibrahim. Ikhabu Ibrahim. Ma.
Very good. Again.
Sa'alu ma ikhabu Ibrahima.
Good. Again.
Sa'alu ma ikhabu Ibrahima.
Very good. So there's and. So you'd say wa sa'alu ma iqabu Ibrahima. Give me the answer again, Zahan.
Sa'alu ma ikhabu Ibrahima.
Good. Adnan, how do you translate this sentence? And they asked, what is the punishment of Ibrahim? What's the answer, Adnan? Let's say Sa'alu ma iqabu Sa'alu ma iqabu Ibrahima.
Ta'ala ma ikhabu Ibrahim.
Again.
Ta'alu ma ikhabu Ibrahim.
Very good. Now without saying.
على ما يقابل إبراهيم.
Again, repeat Adnan.
سألوا ما إبراهيم سألوا ما يحاب إبراهيم.
Very good. Again.
سألوا ما يحاب إبراهيم.
Very good. Sa'alu ma iqabu Ibrahima. Now, who will translate this sentence? What is the punishment of Muhammad? How do you translate this? Who can give me this answer?
Ma ikabu Muhammad.
Ma iqabu Muhammadan, Muhammadin, Muhammadun, Muhammada.
Muhammada.
Ma iqabu mu. One second. Ma iqabu Muhammada. Like
Done.
this. Muhammadan. Okay. Anyone thinks the answer should be anything different?
Will the last thing change? Will be my Khabu Muhammada?
Muhammada. Like this. Okay. Anyone thinks the answer should be anything different?
It should be Muhammadan only.
That's the first one. Iqabu Muhammadan is the first line. Anyone thinks the answer should be anything different? Okay. How do we say punishment of Muhammad? Who can give me this answer? How do we say punishment of Muhammad?
Ikabu Muhammadan.
Iqabu
Ikabu Muhammadan.
Muhammadan.
Yes.
How do we say pen of Hamid? Or the pen of Hamid? Satya, how do we say the pen of Hamid? For example, the pen of Hamid
Qalamu
is,
Hamidin.
the pen of Hamid is with me, okay? So I just want the pen of Hamid. How do we say the pen of Hamid?
Labu Hamidin.
Qalamu Hamid.
Qalamu Hamidin. Yes.
Okay. So pen of Hamid is Qalamu Hamidin. How do we say punishment of Hamid?
Ikabu Hamidin.
Come again.
Ikabu Hamidin.
Iqabu Hamidin. Then why for Muhammad does it become Muhammadan?
It should be Hamidin. Oh, sorry,
Yes, sir.
Muhammadin.
So Iqabu Hamidin is punishment of Hamid. Okay. Now why punishment of Muhammad has to be Iqabu
A
Muhammadan?
few names you said Sakabaya, Muhammad
Yes.
and
Muhammad and Hamid. Ibrahimu.
No, Muhammad, Hamid are all Arab names. We will have Iqabu Muhammadin.
Madin.
Okay. So here also, it is not going to be Muhammadan, it's going to be Muhammadin because it's an Arab name. Ibrahim is not an Arab name. Ibrahim was from Egypt and then later he went to Makkah when he built the Kaaba. Ibrahim is not an Arab name. So there are, from all of the prophet names, there are only 6 names which are Arab names. So there is Muhammad Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So there is Muhammad, there is Saleh Alayhi Salam, there is Shuaib Alayhi Salam. There are another few names. Okay, so there is Saleh Alayhi Salam, there is Shuaib Alayhi Salam, and there are another 2-3 names, but the rest of them. So Musa Alayhi Salam, Isa Alayhi Salam, Yunus alayhi salam, all of them are non-Arab names. Ibrahim is also a non-Arab name. So that's why we have Iqabu Ibrahima, because you cannot put Ibrahimi. Ibrahimi is not allowed. So that's why we would put Ma Iqabu Ibrahima. How do we say, what is the punishment of Khadija? How do we say this sentence?
What is the
ما
punishment
يخاب
of
خديجة
Ma ikabu Khadijatin?
Ma Iqabu Khadijatin. Like this. Anyone thinks the answer should be different?
Saqib said it should be Khadijata.
Why?
Oh, sorry. It is Khadijatin.
No. With female names also, you can never put tin, you can never put double. Okay, so you can never put Khadijatin, you can never put Khadijatan.
Khadija.
خديجة
It becomes Khadijata. Like Ibrahima, it becomes Khadijata. Where do we use this rule? Where do we not use kasra or double vowels?
for female name.
Female names and
Arabic names.
no, non-Arab names. So if a name is non-Arab, like if you take any name, okay, so if you take Jonas, if you take John, if you take any other name, okay, so if you take Kumar, if you take Khanna, you will not use double vowels and you will not use kasra. You will say for Kumar, you will say Kumara. You will not say Kumari. That's for non-Arab names. So ma iqabu Khadijata, ma iqabu Ibrahima. But if it comes to punishment of Muhammad, how will you say what is the punishment of Muhammad? How do you translate what is the punishment of Muhammad? Sadia.
Punishment of
Muhammad.
خابو محمد.
Good. So, and they asked what the punishment of Muhammad.
سألوا ما يخاب إبراهيم.
Okay. 1 second. So this, and they asked what is punishment of Muhammad.
سألوا ما يخاب محمد.
قالوا ما عقاب محمد. Let me just adjust my settings again. One minute. Okay, again Sadio. And they asked what is the punishment of Muhammad.
سألوا ما يخاب محمد.
Very good. What's this audio? And they asked what is the punishment of Ibrahim.
سألوا ما يخاب إبراهيم.
Very good. Zahan, how do we say? And they asked what is the punishment of Muhammad.
Sa'alu. Yes, Saqib Chacha. Sa'alu ma ikabu Muhammadan.
No.
Muhammadin.
Again.
Sa'alu ma ikabu Muhammadin.
Okay, this one.
Sa'alu ma ikabu Ibrahimu.
No.
Ibrahima.
Yes, again, full answer.
Sa'alu ma ikabu Ibrahima.
Very good. وَسَأَلُوا مَا إِقَابُ إِبْرَاهِيمَ. What is this answer, Adnan?
سألوا ما يخاف إبراهيم.
Very good. Now this one.
سألوا ما يخاف إبراهيم.
No. What is the punishment of Muhammad?
سألوا ما محمد.
Very good. Again, Adnan.
سألوا ما يخاف محمد.
Very good. Now this one again. And they asked what is the punishment of Ibrahim?
سألوا ما يخاف إبراهيم.
No.
سألوا ما يخاف إبراهيم.
Again, Adnan.
سألوا ما يخاف إبراهيم.
No. It is not Ibrahim. It is ma iqabu Ibrahima. Give me the answer again, Adnan.
سألوا ما يخاف إبراهيم.
Sa'alu ma iqabu Ibrahima. Very good. They said, you all burn him.
قالوا حرقوه.
Again, Sadia.
قالوا حرقوه.
Qalu hariquhu. Because it is you all burn him. So it has to be hariqu. So double u, hu. Again, Sadia.
قالوا حرقوه.
Very good. Qalu hariquhu. What is the answer? Zahan or Adnan? Whoever wants to go first.
Qalu arikuhu.
Qalu hariquhu.
Harikuhu.
So it is qalu harikuhu. Give me the answer again, Adnan, Zahan.
Qalu harikuhu.
Harikuhu. So ra
Kuhu, yes.
hari, and it is ku.
Harikuhu.
But again.
Qalu harikuhu.
Harikuhu. What's the answer, Adnan? Qalu harikuhu. Okay, we have Afifa with us. The answer kya hai, Afifa? And they said, you all burn him. Afifa, मेरी आवाज आ रही है तुम्हें? हाँ, they said you all burn him. Answer है ये. Qalu harikuhu. Answer क्या है Afifa?
قالوا حرقوه.
Very good. Qalu harikuhu. फिर से बोलो बिना देखे.
قالوا حرقوه.
Very good. Qalu harikuhu. What is the answer, Adnan?
قالوا حرقوه.
Very good. ये आंसर क्या है अफीफा? And they asked, उन्होंने पूछा, what is the punishment of Muhammad? Muhammad का punishment क्या होगा? ये आंसर है सअलू मा इक़ाबु मुहम्मदिन.
सअलू इक़ाबु मुहम्मदन.
मा इक़ाबु मुहम्मदिन. ठीक है, तो मोहम्मद के लिए मुहम्मदिन आएगा क्योंकि एक अरब नाम है, लेकिन इब्राहिम में इब्राहिमिन नहीं आ सकता, इब्राहिमा ही आएगा. तो मा इक़ाबु इब्राहिमा, मा इक़ाबु मुहम्मदिन. फिर से ये वाला आंसर अफीफा. And they asked, what is the punishment of Muhammad?
सअलू मा इक़ाबु मुहम्मदन.
Very good. फिर से
سألوا ما إقاب محمد.
Very good. Sa'alu ma iqabu Muhammadin. Ye wala. And they asked what is the punishment of Ibrahim.
سألوا ما إقاب إبراهيم.
Very good. Sa'alu ma iqabu Ibrahim. And they said, burn him. उसको जलाओ. ये कैसे बोलते हैं अफीफा?
قالوا حرقوه.
Very good. Qalu harriquhu. They ignited a fire. उन्होंने एक आग जलाया. And they threw in it Ibrahim. और उसमें उन्होंने फेंका इब्राहिम को. इसको कैसे ट्रांसलेट करता है? Sadia, do you remember how to translate this?
Yes, अखुया. أوقدوا نارا وألقوا في إبراهيم.
Fiha, in it, Ibrahim.
فيها إبراهيم.
Again?
أوقدوا نارا وألقوا فيها إبراهيم.
Very good. What is this answer, Zahan? You can see it here. أوقدوا نارا وألقوا فيها إبراهيم.
أوقدوا نار وألقوا فيها إبراهيم.
Okay, you need to pay attention to the endings. This is أوقدوا نارا. The fire did not light, but they lit what? Naran. This is the detail. So it is Naran. Same way here it is Al-Qaw. It is not Al-Qu, it is Al-Qaw. Again, Zahan.
أوقدوا نارا ألقوا فيها إبراهيم
وألقوا.
وألقوا.
Very good. Again.
أوقدوا نارا وألقوا فيها إبراهيم.
Very good. Now, who can tell me what is the meaning of Al-Qaw? Sorry, Awqadu. Awqadu Naran. What does this mean?
They ignited a fire. Ignited fire.
Very good. They ignited a fire. Okay, so Naran is a fire. What is Al-Qaw?
And threw.
And they threw.
And they threw.
Anyone threw. Okay. Who can translate what are you eating?
What are you eating?
Who can translate this sentence? What are
Takul.
you?
Maza takulu.
Very good. Mata Takulu. What is this?
Egg.
How do you translate what is this?
Mahaza.
Mahada. Now, egg is called Baydun. Baydun. Okay, let me verify this. Okay,
Yes,
so
Sakib.
Bayd is eggs. How do I say one egg?
Bayda.
Baydatun.
By the tun.
Okay, so Baydun is eggs. Baydatun is one egg. So how do we say this is an egg?
Haza by the tun.
Wrong.
Haza who by the tun.
No. Who else can try and give me the correct answer? This is wrong. Do you know what is the answer, Sadia?
Which questions are there?
How do you say this is an egg? He is a student. Or this is a student.
Hiya Taliban.
No. This is a male student. How do you say this is a student?
Huwa Taliban. Hiya Taliban.
Huwa talibun is he is a student. Okay, huwa talibun means he is a student. But if I say this, okay, so this particular person, for example, if I look at this, okay, so if I look at this, and if I say he, okay, so this boy is a student. How do I say this? How do I say this boy is a student? This boy is a student. How do we say this, Sadia? For example, if we say this is a house, I'll say hada baytun.
Huwa talibun.
Huwa talibun is he is student. How do I say this boy is a student? You'd say hada
Yeah.
talibun. What is al waladu talibun?
The boy is a student.
The boy is a student. Now what is hadal waladu talibun?
This boy is a student.
This boy is a student. How do you say this girl is a student?
Um,
Girl is bintu.
Hazal bintu talibatun.
Dal bintu talibatun.
I think so.
Hada is only used for masculine.
Here.
How do you say this female? You say hadihi. Hadihil bintu talibatun. So hada is male, hadihi is female. Both of them mean this. How do we say he? How do we say he is a student, Sadio?
He is a student will be
Zahan, how do you say he?
Haza talibatun.
No, hada means this. How do we say he?
Huwa.
Huwa. How do
Huwa
you say he is a
talibun.
student?
How do we say?
He is a student.
Huwa talibun.
She. Huwa talibun is he is a student. How do you say?
Hiya talibatun.
Hiya talibatun. Very good. This is hiya talibatun. How do you say she is a teacher?
Hiya muddarisatun.
Hiya mudarrisatun. Very good. Now who can tell me how do you say this is an egg? Egg is baydatun. How do you say this is an egg?
Haza baydatun.
No. Baydatun, is it masculine or feminine?
Baydatun female.
Very good. So what will come instead of hada?
Hazihi.
Hadihi baydatun. Very good. How do you say this, Zahan? How do you say this is an egg? Zahan? Adnan, how do you say
Yes,
this is an
Sahib
egg?
Chacha. This is an egg.
Yes.
Hazihi baridatun.
No. What are you doing, Zahan? You are not paying attention in the class. Are you playing games with Adnan?
No.
Then what are you doing, Zahan? You're not paying attention. This is the answer. Your mind is somewhere else. You're doing something else. How do you say this is an egg?
Hazihi baydun. Baydatun.
Baitatun. Again, how do you say this is an egg?
Hazihi baydatun.
Okay. How do you say, Zahan? She is a student. How do you say this, Sadia? She is a student.
Hiya taliba.
هذه طالبة.
She is here. Here Talibatun.
هي طالبة.
Okay.
Hiya
How-
talibatun.
How do you say this is a house?
Haza baytu.
Very good. How do you say this is my house?
Haza fi bayti.
No. Take a house. Okay. So you say that this
هذا
is
بيتي.
no. Baiti.
Haza baytun.
Hata Baitun. What is your answer, Sadia? This is my house.
Haza bayti.
Hata Baiti. How do you say this is my pen?
Haza khalami.
هذا قلمي.
Hata Qalami. How do you say this is the pen of Hamid?
هذا قلم حامد.
Hata Qalamu Hamidan.
حامدا.
How do you say pen of Hamid?
What if he's coming?
How do you say pen of Hamid, Sadia?
هذا قلم حامد.
Very good. Qalamu Hamidin. Hamid is after of, and it's an Arab name. So it has to be Qalamu Hamidin. After of is Kasra. Always, unless the only exception is non-Arab names or female names. In all other cases, after of, you will always have Hamidin. You will always have Qalamu Hamidin. You will always have Qalamu Talibin. You will have Qalamu Mudarrisin, pen of or teacher. Qalamu Mudarrisin. Only exception is non-Arab names or feminine names. Good. Now, Zahan, give me this answer. They ignited a fire and threw in it Ibrahim. आफीफा ये वाला आंसर क्या है? औकदु नारन व अलकौ फीहा इब्राहिमा.
Zakir Bhai, I'm not able to unmute at all. At the moment, I was not able to unmute.
Okay, so what is the answer, Zahan?
أوقدوا نارا وألقوا فيها إبراهيم.
Ibrahima. They threw what or they threw who? They threw Ibrahim. This is the detail.
Ibrahim.
Ibrahima. With fatha. Give me the answer again without seeing.
أوقدوا نارا وألقوا فيها إبراهيم. إبراهيم.
Good. Again. Again, Zahan. अफीफा ये आंसर क्या है?
Yes, Zakir Chacha. أوقدوا نارا وألقوا فيها إبراهيم. إبراهيم.
Good. अफीफा उन्होंने एक आग जलाए और उसमें उन्होंने फेंका इब्राहिम को. उसको कैसे ट्रांसलेट करता है? म्यूट पे हो आफीफा। यस आफीफा।
औकदु नारन वालकौ फीहा इब्राहिमा।
वेरी गुड। अभी बिना देखे।
औकदु नारन वालकौ फीहा इब्राहिमा।
वेरी गुड। औकदु नारन वालकौ फीहा इब्राहिम। ये कैसे ट्रांसलेट करता है? तो हु कैन गिव मी दिस आंसर? अल्लाह हेल्प इब्राहिम।
Allahu Nasara Ibrahim.
वेरी गुड। अल्लाहु नसरा इब्राहिम। व्हाट इज द आंसर जहान? आंसर क्या है आफीफा?
अल्लाहु नसरा इब्राहिमा।
वेरी गुड। अल्लाहु नसरा इब्राहिम। नसरा, नसरा का मीनिंग क्या है आफीफा?
Sakib Chacha, answer is
Help.
Allahu Nasara Ibrahima.
वेरी गुड। अफीफा, नसरा का मीनिंग क्या है?
हेल्प।
ही हेल्प। वो एक लड़के के लिए बोलते हैं या जो भी आदमी के लिए बोलते हैं या लड़के के लिए बोलते हैं? नसरा मतलब ही हेल्प, उन्होंने मदद किया, वो है आंसर नसरा। व्हाट इज द आंसर अदनान?
OTP anda mas scramble.
Okay, so Adnan, before you eat scramble, how do you say Allah helped Ibrahim? Okay, so what's the answer, Adnan? Allah helped Ibrahim.
अल्लाहु
Nasara
नसरा
Ibrahima. Again, Adnan.
अल्लाहु नसरा इब्राहिमा।
Again.
अल्लाहु इब्राहिम।
Again, Adnan, clearly.
अल्लाहु इब्राहिमा।
You're not clear, Adnan. Repeat again.
अल्लाहु इब्राहिमा।
You need to say the second word clearly, Adnan. What is? How do you say helped?
अल्लाहु नसरा इब्राहिमा।
Allahu Nasara Ibrahima. How do you say, Adnan? I want an egg. Or anyone who wants to say. How do you say, I want an egg? Sadia, how do you say, I want an egg? How do you say egg? Zahan, how do you say egg? An egg? Sadia, how do you say, I want an egg?
Not sure, sir.
How do you say, I want coffee? How do you say, I want something? How do you say, the people? How do you say the people wanted to do sajda to the idols? The people wanted or intended? What is this answer, Sadia? Intended is to have irada. For example, in Urdu,
Aradan Nasu.
Sakib Chacha, Aradan Nasu Yasjudu ila al-asnama.
you're making few mistakes, Adnan. Let us hear from Sadia. So, Sadia, what is?
It was me, Zahan.
Yes, I know that.
Aradan Nasu an yasjudu ilal al-asnama.
Aradan Nasu an yasjudu lil asnami.
Very good. Aradan nasu an yasjudu lil asnami. That is the correct answer, Zahan. So you made ila should be li, like for the idols. So you'd say lil asnami. Okay. So arada is intended. He intended. How do we say he intends? He wants to do sajda.
Yasjudu.
No. So arada is he wanted.
Irada.
Arada.
इरादा उसका इरादा था.
Arada is he wanted.
Right.
Past tense. This is arada. How do we say he wants to? Satya? It has to start with you. It has to start with ya. Okay. So what's going to come after ya? It is yuridu. Yuridu is he wants. How do I say I want? Very easy, guys. He wants is yuridu. How do I say I want?
Urida. Arida.
No. How do you change present tense? How do I change he? How do I say he goes? How do we say he goes? He goes to the masjid. How do we say Sadhya? He goes to the masjid for Fajr Salah every day. He goes. We say Yadhabu. Easy verb, guys. We have been saying this again and again. So Yadhabu is he goes. How do I say I go? I go to the masjid for Salah every day. Satya, how do I say I go?
Azhabu.
Adhabu. Yuridu is he goes. How do I say he wants is yuridu. How do I say I want?
Aridu.
No, why do you make it aridu? You just have to take out the ya and replace it with hamza. Everything else stays the same. Aridu is wrong. What's the correct answer? Is it ya or you?
Yaridu.
No. How do I say he wants? What does he want, Sadhya? The answer is on the screen.
You want an egg.
How do I say just he wants?
Yuridu.
How do I say he wants an egg? How do I say
Yuridu.
Baidatan? Baidatan is an egg. How do I say he wants an egg?
Not sure.
The answer is yes, Sadhya. Yuridu Baidatan is he wants an egg.
Yuridu Baida.
How do I say Adnan wants an egg? I'd say Yuridu Adnanu or Adnanu Yuridu Baidatan. How do I say Adnan wants an egg? How do I say Adnan wants an egg, Sadhya? The answer is on the screen, Sadhya. The answer is already written. You just have to read it.
Yuridu Adnanu Baidatan.
Very good. Again.
Yuridu Adnanu Baidatan.
Very good. Now, how do I say I want an egg?
Yuridu Baidatan.
Yuridu Baidatan is he wants an egg.
Arada Baidatan.
Arada Baidatan is he wanted an egg. How do you say he goes?
Yazhabu.
How do I say I go?
Azhabu.
Adhabu. All you do is you take out the ya and you put a. If it was you will put u. You just have to take out the ya and put hamza.
Aridu. Uridu.
Because it is you, it will become u.
Uridu.
So it becomes uridu. Because it is yuridu becomes uridu. It's as simple as that.
Sir,
Come,
can you
Uri.
hear me?
Yes, Mama.
Okay.
Uridu baydatan. Yes, I want an egg.
Uridu baydatan.
How do we say, Adnan, I want an egg?
يريد باردة
Is baydatan.
بيضة
Uridu baydatan.
يريد بيضة
Good. How do we say Allah helped Ibrahim? Anyone other than Sadia? How do we say Allah helped Ibrahim?
الله نصر الأصنام
Allahu Nasara
إبراهيم
Ibrahim.
إبراهيم
Allahu Nasara Ibrahim. Allah said to the fire. How do we translate this?
Allahu linnari.
Allahu linnari means Allah is for the fire.
Allah linnari.
Khala.
Is Allah is to the fire. How do we say?
Khala.
Good. What is scholars? He said. How do we say Allah said to the fire? So full sentence, full translation. Allah said to the fire. Asadia. How do we say Allah said to the fire?
Khalu. Allah.
Qala. Is it going to be Allahu or Allah?
Allah.
Qala Allah means he said to Allah.
Khala Allahu.
Qala Allahu becomes Allah said to the fire.
Linnari.
Linnari. Very good. Now full answer.
Khala Allahu linnari.
Qala Allahu linnari. आंसर क्या है आफीफा? He said to the fire. अल्लाह ने आग को कहा. Okay, Afifa is not there. I do not see Zahan as well. What is this answer, Adnan?
قال الله إبراهيم قال الله النار
Linnari. Li annari. Qala Allahu linnari.
قال الله للنار
Okay. Now who can give me this answer? O fire, become cold and peaceful upon Ibrahim.
Ya naru kuni baradan wa salaman ala Ibrahima.
Very good. Ya naru kuni bardan wa salaman ala Ibrahim. Again, Sadia.
Ya naru kuni baradan wa salaman ala Ibrahima.
Very good. So it is ya naru kuni. Kuni bardan. What is bardan?
Cold.
Become cold.
Become cold.
Bardan is cold. So kuni bardan is become cold. Kuni bardan wasalaman is become cold and peaceful
Peaceful.
upon Ibrahim. What is the answer, Adnan?
يا نار
Ya naru kuni bardan wasalaman ala Ibrahim. Okay. Now, fire, is it masculine or feminine? Sadia. Fire, is it masculine or feminine?
Male.
Is it male? Is it
Nar.
nar?
Oh, female. Female.
Barikatun.
Female.
Female. So fire is male or female?
Male.
No.
Feminine.
Fire is female. So for female, become, you'd say kuni. You'd say kuni. But if it was male, if I say Adnan, if I tell Adnan, become a doctor, I would say kun. I only say kun. Kun means become, to boy. To masculine, I only say kun. How do I say Adnan become a doctor? How do I say doctor?
Tabibun.
This is detailed. Become doctor. Become what? Become a doctor.
Tabibu. Tabib.
No, it's not tabibu.
Tabiban.
Tabiban. Kun tabiban. Because become what? Become is a verb. So it's a commanding verb. So kun become what? Tabiban. So tabiban is with fatha. How do I say Sadia become a doctor?
Kuni tabibatan.
Very good. Tabibatan. Okay. Very good. So this sentence again, Sadia. O fire, become cold and peaceful upon Ibrahim.
Ya naru kuni bardan wa salaman ala Ibrahima.
Very good. Ya naru kuni bardan wa salaman ala Ibrahima. You say kuni because fire is feminine. So that's why you say kuni. Like you would say kuni tabibatan ya Sadia. You would say kuni bardan because fire is feminine. Okay. 2 lessons and we close. The people saw that the fire does not harm Ibrahim. How do we say the people saw?
Ra nasu anan nala la tazurun Ibrahima.
Very good. Ra'an nasu annan nara. The anna makes nar to fatha. That's the rule of anna. So inna anna will make nar into fatha. So ra'an nasu annan nara la tadurru. La tadurru means she does not harm. Here it is fire. Fire is feminine. So we say tadurru. The people saw that the fire does not harm Ibrahim. Ra'an nasu annan nara la tadurru Ibrahim. Now, if I changed the noun, okay, and I say the people saw that Muhammad does not harm Ibrahim. How do I translate this sentence, Adil?
Ra nasu
How do we say that? What is this answer?
Ra nasu anan nara la tazurun Ibrahima.
Very good. Now, what was the verb we used for that?
Anan.
Anna.
Anna.
Ra'an nasu anna Muhammad. So how do I write Muhammad here?
Muhammadan.
Very good. Muhammadan, because Anna will make Muhammad into Muhammadan. Muhammadan does not harm. How do I say does not harm? How do I say does not?
La
What is it?
tazurun Ibrahima. La tazurun.
La tadurru. There's one mistake in this sentence. Can you catch it, Sadia?
La tazurun.
No, this is verb. So this is like. So this is a verb. This is like yadhabu, yakulu, takulu, takunu, yansuru, tadurru would be used for females. So tadurru means she harms. but Muhammad is male. So what happens to tadurru?
Tadurru.
Yadurru. Yadurru.
Yadurru. Here it is nar. The fire does not harm, so I use tadurru. She does not harm. Thus she refers to fire. Here Muhammad is masculine, so I would use yadurru. Like I say yadhabu, yuridu, I will say yadurru. Yadurru means he harm. La yadurru, he does not harm. So the people saw that Muhammad does not harm Ibrahim would be ra'an nasu anna Muhammadan la yadurru Ibrahim. That should be yadurru because Muhammad is masculine. Okay. Last lesson before we close. And the people saw that Ibrahim is happy and safe.
ورأى الناس أن إبراهيم مسرور وسليما.
Wassalam.
Salam.
I think it is Salimun. Yes, safe.
Salim.
Salim also means safe. Here we are using Salimun. Ra'an nasu anna Ibrahima masrurun wa Salimun. Okay, with that we will close. Anyone who has a question, stay back after the class and I'll answer doubts. We'll have a Kahoot on this, inshallah. It's going to be an easy Kahoot. All you need to do is revise these questions, okay? And if you revise these questions, learn the new words, learn the new vocabulary, you'll be able to do well in tomorrow's Kahoot, inshallah. With that, we will close. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Jazakallah khair ma.
Wayakum.